Okay, so welcome friends. My name is Shailesh Sharaf. I'm the founder of Value Stocks app. And today we are going to share about mutual funds. How many people feel selection of mutual funds is very, very complex? How many agree with me that the selection of mutual funds is very, very complex? Never understood it, okay? Yes, it's complex, okay? So I hope now the background sound is not there. Is it okay? So let's study the website on mutual fund. Can you see the app? Can you see the app right now, friends? Can you see the screen? Yes. Okay. Fantastic. So basically, if you see, let's go to the quality mutual fund. What we have done is first, let's go step by step. Okay. First, we should know that in the equity category, there are 11 categories actually in the 11. How many total funds are there? There are 342 funds. And the total money is 8,92,000 crore rupees. Okay. So there are 342 schemes in which you have to select the best scheme. Okay. So the data is very, very easily available. How many schemes are there? Okay. So if you see the category, what are the different categories? And many people are interested in large cap. Some people are interested in multi cap. Some people are interested in small cap and mid cap. So this is the various selections of schemes here. Now, if you select small cap, then you come to know how many schemes are there in small cap. 24 schemes are there. Okay, 24 different schemes are there in small cap. So if you see the small cap fund, these are the different 24 small cap schemes. Okay, what we have done is, which is an original thing which you'll only find in value stocks, is that we have given a QB score, okay, quality business score. This is a new fundamental score for each mutual fund. Okay, how is this QB score calculated? So if you click here, and I'll take you to Access Small Cap. Okay, so if you see, there are many stocks. So if you see, for Access Mutual, they have Tata Elxsi as the #1 holding. Okay, the #1 holding is Tata Elxsi. Now Tata Elxsi score, every company we have given a fundamental score, which is 21 out of 22. That means it is a very, very one second, friends, just a second. Sorry, friends. So basically, each company we have created a fundamental score. So the average of all the stocks. So if you see Access, the small cap has probably more than 50 stocks. How many number of equity shares is 49? Okay. So out of 12, what is the score of 49? The score of 49 is 15.72. So the higher the mutual fund score, those schemes tend to do well in future. So this information is available, and you should invest in the top 5 or 6 mutual funds, which is a greater chance of doing well in future. Okay. So in every sector, if you love small cap, then you know which are the top 4 or 5 mutual funds. So out of 24, you immediately come to 4 and 5. And then there is a further training we give where you can actually come to one or two mutual fund in small cap, mid cap. Many people are also interested in large cap funds. So large cap, there are how many funds first? There are 32 funds. Now with the app, you can immediately come down to those 4-5 funds which will do very well in future. So this is how the first knowledge what we've understood is that many people don't know that there are 342 different schemes and there are different categories. Now in each category, there are 2 or 3 funds, which is very important. So what we make it easy for you is out of 342 schemes, you can actually make a portfolio of 10 to 15 different mutual funds. And that 15 mutual fund, 2 or 3 from large cap, 2, 3 from small cap, 2, 3 from mid cap, 2, 3 from multi cap will make a very good portfolio of schemes. It is like buying a portfolio of stocks. So in mutual funds also, you can buy a portfolio of 10 to 14 schemes. You can put your money separately and then run like a portfolio of 10 to 12 schemes. This will help you to make a lot of money in the mutual fund market. Okay. Now, sadly, friend, this is a very important information. Okay. We'll take all the questions, Yadavji, at 5:15, please. Let me finish my understanding. Now, what I'll tell you, sadly, the top 5 mutual funds, except Axis, HDFC Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Mutual Fund, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, they have usually the highest money. Okay, if you go by the net asset, anything above 5,000 crore, you will see HDFC, SBI, Nippon are always there in the top 3. And they are the worst performing mutual funds. So what I've seen is many people have invested into mutual fund, but they are never performing. So how can you know that is, you can go to Fund House and you can select companies above assets greater than 10,000 and know which are the best mutual fund performing. So you can come to know that which are the funds which is performing. Okay. So this is how, if you put 1,000 crore above, you will see the top 10 getting removed very quickly actually. Okay. So the top fund which does well is Mirae, you know, he only has 2 mutual funds, Parag Parekh. Franklin, though nobody is investing because of the problem in debt market. SBI, Canara Robeco. And if you see the bad funds, you know, so which are not performing so well. So what we were finding out is that you should definitely know which fund house is also doing well in the mutual fund market. So many people have not invested in Canara Robeco. Okay, Mirae Asset, Kotak. So sometimes these funds do well than the other mutual fund in each category. And that is the data you should have to decide what is the right mutual fund. So mutual fund selection is a very complex process. We have made it very easy. Okay, because people think they have one idea, all mutual fund will give the same returns. It is not like that. You see the returns. If you go by the returns, forget about, because this is a small mutual fund, 45%, 43, and the lowest guy return is 22. So there's a huge variation of return from 45 till 22. Okay, which many people don't know. They have no idea that the returns also vary. Mid cap, if you see the returns, I'll show you the returns in mid cap. Now, if you take from 41 till 13%, okay, So sometimes we don't realize we miss a lot of opportunities in returns because we do not know how to select the right mutual fund. And usually there are many people who will never allow you to shift the mutual funds, and they will never give you the knowledge, and you will never get the good returns. Right? So this basic knowledge one should have to become better in mutual fund selection. Mutual fund selection is not tough, friends. It is just few minutes and few trainings which we give free initially, and then you will realize that this data is very, very important for me to help me actually. You can also find out which mutual fund is doing well in the equity market, right? So if you see assets greater than, so if you see Dhamesh Kakkad has been giving, from which he's from ICICI Prudential Value Discovery. Okay, then you have Dinesh Balachandran. What does he manage? He managed SBI. Then you have Ankit Jain. What does he manage? He managed Mirae Asset. So you know that which is the top guy who's managing what mutual funds actually. Okay. So I hope if you are in HDFC, you should definitely exit all HDFC mutual funds because they are not performing at all. How many agree with me? If you are invested, how many people are invested in HDFC mutual funds? How many have invested in HDFC mutual funds? Me, Vishwanathan, Divesh, Ashish Pal, Anand Jain, Girish Sate. You know, I highly recommend that you exit and you shift your mutual fund to different categories. They are the worst fund house performance. They are not performing in any category, and even the managers are not in the top. Okay, so they are really, really performing very, very badly. So in mutual fund selection, friends, these 5 people, ICICI, Aditya Birla, HDFC, SBI, they control 60% of the wealth. Okay, so it is not important that you should be investing only in these mutual funds. There are other mutual funds also where you can invest, which is very, very important. You should know that. Okay, so I hope you are able to invest in Canara Robeco, Mirae Asset, Kotak. Okay, they are also very, very good mutual fund which is doing pretty well in the return formula. Okay, so this is a very, very important thing one should learn about mutual. How many are interested in debt market? How many people are interested? I think so very few people are interested in debt market. Can I know how many people are interested in debt market? Not much. Nobody interested in debt market. Only Parvez, Jacob Philip. Okay. Okay, some few people. So you can also see the same details for debt market actually. So if you go to debt market, you will also get to know the details that which funds are doing well in the last 1 year. Okay. So if you see this, you will actually know that, okay, so my favorite has been dynamic bond and banking PSU and short duration. These are the favorite where money is made, especially banking and PSU debt and dynamic bond has been 2 of my favorite categories, and even corporate bond actually. So if you're in the debt market, selection of the right things are very important. So try to invest. There are 20 funds in corporate bond. There are 25 funds in dynamic bond. You know, this definitely gives you much greater return than FD. But people are quite scared, but you don't need to be scared about corporate bonds. And, you know, it's a very safe investment and you can actually invest in it. But because of lack of knowledge and fear, many people prefer to keep money in the FD market, fixed deposits. But debt market is also very good. Then we have the hybrid. I'm not a very fan of hybrid, but people are really interested in investing in balanced advantage fund. Okay, but what I've seen is it gives a decent return. There are 23 funds This is one of the favorite for many distributors which I have seen. And then you have the solution oriented. And then you have others. In others, there is something called fund and funds of investing overseas. Okay. So here there are some phenomenal returns. If you see 70%, 50%, 45%. So total global merging, Motilal Oswal Nasdaq. So many people don't know that if you want to invest in US market, you can buy Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100, or you can buy DSP World, mining fund. This is the gold fund actually, and then you can buy the HSBC Global Emerging, which also gives a lot of high return. And many people are not aware that these funds are also available, that I can invest in Nasdaq US market through mutual funds also. So this data is also available. There are many mutual funds. How many are there? I'll show you. So fund overseas investing, there are 31 funds. There are 31 funds. Then you have gold also, and gold ETF also. You have about 11 funds here also, others. Okay. This is our app, Prabhakar Kashmira. This is our app called Value Stocks, which you have to download. So obviously this is for paid customers, but initially we give you a lot of free training. So what you can do is you can actually go for this free one-to-one free training, booking free training actually. Because friends, we have realized that that nobody can trust us in one seminar, right? There are 10,000 people who are talking about research, who are talking about giving good data, everything. But we are giving some excellent data. We straight away focus on selection of mutual funds, selection of stocks, right? So you can immediately buy this. Okay, so basically what we are discussing here is that please recommend best foreign mutual fund, Narayan Burman. Okay, so there are 3-4 of them. They're doing very well. So if you go to fund categories and you go to others, I feel, Nisha, you should exit after a year and you should get into the better mutual fund, because after 1 year there is no exit load, so you can easily transfer your funds, and there is no difference even in taxation if you exit after 1 year. So it doesn't make a difference in your taxation, but definitely makes a difference in your returns. Okay, so if you go to others and fund of fund investing, so definitely if I would recommend Motilal Oswal Nasdaq is highly recommended. Kotak Global Emerging is also very good. Okay, so these two I would recommend actually. Yes, Surang, it is quite safe. Safety is not a problem. Mutual fund investing is very safe. You're talking of returns, right? Surang Dajan. So Surang Dajan, because the fund is very less, Rajesh Tiwarkar. 769 crores. Okay, only, I don't mind, because, because PGIM is not tested so much, but I've been following a Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100, it looks much better. Please discuss gold ETF. Okay. So if you go to gold ETF, there are gold funds and funds also. So you have the DSP Gold Fund. These are the returns. Okay, of gold funds, and then you have the gold ETF. So these are not these are all traded in NSE actually. So the way you buy stocks, you can buy these ETFs from NSE. Okay, so this is bought from NSE actually. I would not invest in Edelweiss. You know, I would. I don't want you to invest in HDFC, Devesh. Okay. So I know many people will have many questions. So let me complete. So basically, friends, that we have 140 people. I will also like to say that if you do not have mutual funds investments of at least 5 lakh rupees, then we will not be much help to you. Okay. If you are a beginner in mutual funds, or if you do not have at least 5 lakh rupees of investment, then we will not be much benefit, because we give a lot of free things initially, but then obviously we expect you to become a customer, and our product starts with rupees 5,000 only. So if you do not have investments of at least 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees in mutual fund, then we will not be able to help you. But if you have at least 5 lakh rupees of mutual fund investment, so we can help you again free of cost to take one-to-one free, get screening and check the mutual fund, whether those mutual funds are good for investment or not. You know, and that is a very, very important thing one to know. So obviously, to develop trust, you know, this is a free one-to-one training, and get your portfolio checked, whether this mutual fund is good, not good. We give a lot of one-to-one, because right now I have 138 people. I will not be able to answer all questions. And some people want to have a lot of personal questions. Why this mutual fund? I was invested, whether should I shift, not shift. So we give you free one-to-one actually, because we know to develop trust, it takes time. Okay, friend. So friends, if you do not have at least 5 lakh rupees of investment, then we will not be much help to you in mutual fund market. I hope we are making sense, because we are specifically experts in mutual fund selection. Okay, even if you have stocks, if you want to learn stock selection, in the free one-to-one training, a person can help you. Even if you want to learn something about Nifty, free training is there. Okay, so there is a question from Rajesh Tivirkar. What do you suggest about Tata Digital Fund? See, technology funds are doing well. I'll show you. So these are the sectoral thematic. There are 105 funds. Obviously, Tata Digital has done very well in the last 1 year. So you can definitely invest in Tata Digital. You know, no, HDFC is not good funds, Aman. You know, you should exit all HDFC funds. Their returns are very, very poor. They are safe. Your money is very safe, but the returns are very, very poor. They're not giving good returns. Rajesh Tivirkar, 2-3 years for sector funds is not a very good idea. A maximum 6 months to 1 year, Rajesh Tivirkar. No, it is not unsafe, Gokul. I feel no mutual fund is unsafe. So please have, mutual funds are not unsafe, never. Because the money is quite safe, the restrictions are very, very high. So they are very, very safe. The returns sometimes are unsafe, returns. Okay. Ratan Gupta, Flexi Cap. What is your question, Ratan Gupta? 1 साल में जरूर करना चाहिए, नारायण बर्मन जी. 1 साल में जरूर करना चाहिए. You should do it once a year. Suggest the 5 best funds for 5 years. चंद्रशेखर जी, that is not the right way. 1 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट करिए और एवरी ईयर उसको चेंज करते रहिए. वो 5 साल के लिए कोई भी फंड एक साथ अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करता. सो आप फंस जाएंगे, आपका रिटर्न इतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. एवरी 1 ईयर रिव्यू इट. आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बिकॉज आपका टैक्सेशन उतना ही लगने वाला है. एंड देन चेंज इट टू अ डिफरेंट फंड. दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड रिकमेंड. No, there is no problem. I have not heard any problem, Gopal Krishna ji, on Franklin. And Motilal Oswal is not performing well right now. Then it is not performing well. SBS small cap is okay, Biza Sham Prasad. I would prefer Canara Robeco small cap, Biza Sham Prasad. Yes, Reliance infrastructure funds are not doing well. Vishwanath, you should exit. UTI equity fund is still which one? Sir, there are many questions, and I will not be able to answer so many questions, friends. We have 133 people. So please, if you are interested, please sign up this one-to-one. I'm also sending the link. I'm sending the link also to you. You can take a one-to-one free training. Again, it's free to develop trust with you. And then get your mutual fund checked first. कि what मेरे जो mutual fund investment वो सही है कि नहीं. Okay, Axis Large is decent, Narayan ji. We don't require any office now. It's all online, Vishwanathan Ninayan. Things have changed now. Yeah, so get it checked, Rajesh Tiwerkar ji. Get it checked. आप खुद भी चेक कर सकते हैं राजेश भाई जी, मेरे आदमी से भी करवा सकते हैं. राजेश तिवेरकर जी प्लीज हम लोग के स्ट्रेटजी में इन्वेस्ट कर दीजिए, बिकॉज आपने मेरा स्ट्रेटजी खरीदा हुआ है. इन्वेस्ट इन दैट स्ट्रेटजी. Okay, so many people are asking for one scheme. It will be very difficult for me to answer those questions. Take a one-to-one free webinar, and then my people can answer those questions for you. Okay, again, Surang Tajan, please take free one-to-one. Price for strategy. First, it is free, Chandrasekhar ji. It's a blue chip is not very good. Rekha, I think so. People are asking the same questions. So I don't want to repeat. There are 300 mutual funds. Take one-to-one, my person can answer those questions. Okay. So again, I'm repeating for everyone. We have 124 people. If you do not have investments of at least 5 lakh rupees, then we will not be able to help you much. Okay. Our products, we are doing a lot of, you can take our free webinars, you can take free one-to-one to develop trust with us. And then obviously we have a paid product of 5,000 rupees minimum, right? So you will, so Rekha ji, आप पहले one-to-one ले लीजिए, sign up कर लीजिए, मैं आपको फिर link भेज देता हूँ यहाँ पर. I'm sending the link. आप ये लिंक कर करके you can take one-to-one free. रेखा जी, आपका पूरा म्यूचुअल फंड का हम लोग बता देंगे, and then we'll help you. Okay, and then you can invest with your. Yes, Vishwanathan ji. So please take one-to-one. We'll analyze your investments in mutual fund. We'll help you to analyze your investments in mutual funds. One-to-one means you can take one-to-one free training with my person. So one-to-one वो आपको help करेगा. One-to-one मतलब सिर्फ आप रहेंगे, मेरा ट्रेनर रहेगा Zoom call में, and you can ask all your personal questions, Rekha Agarwal. You have to have a Rajesh Tiwerkar ji, a balance of large cap, multi cap, small cap, and mid cap is good. So friends, I think so we have answered all your questions. We have given a brief idea about our app, what is the capability of the app. So before we end the program, do you have any other questions before we end? I hope you can join the free one-to-one webinar. Okay. 25, 25, 25, 25, Rajesh Tiwari. Friends, we are experts in mutual fund selection. ये आप सीख लीजिए, आपको जिंदगी भर काम आएगा. करेक्ट. आप पहले फ्री 1-to-1 ले लीजिए. सो नारायण बर्मन जी, प्लीज ये लिंक मैंने भेज दिया है वापस से. नारायण बर्मन जी, आप ये लिंक पे क्लिक करके अपना टाइम बुक कर लीजिए. I've sent you the link. You can book the time here. Okay, friends, so we'll close. I'll wait for a minute for the last questions. If you have any other questions. Anybody has any questions? Generally, experts say you should invest. Yeah, you should be invested, Rajesh Tiwari ji. You should be invested for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, but you change. You don't keep one mutual fund and stick to it. Uska return खराब है. Different funds, schemes अच्छे होते हैं. 1 साल बाद change करिए, 2 साल बाद change करिए. अगर आप 10-12 म्यूचुअल फंड में हैं, तो 7-8 सेम ही रहते हैं. 3-4 को ही चेंज करना पड़ता है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड 5 साल इन्वेस्टेड रहिए. आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ इंडेक्स फंड म्यूचुअल. क्या क्वेश्चन? Like QBS can't calculate QBS for MF for free. For free means no, you cannot do it free, Mr. Idat. I hope आप बहुत अटेंड करते हैं, Mr. Idat. I hope you will इतना नॉलेज आपको मिलता है. So I hope you will respect us and you will also become a paid customer. Like right, Mr. Idat? Everything is not free, Mr. Idat. बहुत फ्री करने से ना लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. Mr. Idat, everything is not free in life. As it is, we give a lot of free knowledge and free data. Very good, Rashmi Kulapkar ji. Very, very good. Is annual, Gopal Gokul Krishna ji. It's annual. It's annual, Gokul Krishna ji. Canara Rebecca large cap funds are doing very well, Rashmi Kulapkar. So the session is ended, friend. We have 88 people. You can leave now. Thank you for joining. Namaste to everyone. Again, we are asking you to please send the, we are sending the link again. Yes, Rajesh Tiwari ji, you have to exit and you have to invest in better funds. A 1-to-1 ले लीजिए, my person can help you. I highly recommend अपना म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम चेक करा लीजिए. All the scheme जिसमें आप इन्वेस्ट किए हुए हैं, my person can really help you and guide you. Okay, friends. Any final questions, friends, before we close for today? You didn't understand. What do you want to understand, Mr. Gopal Sharma? I showed you that what are the mutual fund selection is easy. That was the purpose of the meeting. We showed you some good mutual funds. Mr. Gopal Sharma, I hope you came on time at 4:30. कितने कैटेगरीज होते हैं, कितने फंड होते हैं, आप कैसे 342 से 15 फंड सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ये ऐप आपको कैसे हेल्प करता है, मैंने आपको सब कुछ बताया. I hope you were there, Mr. Sharma, that time. Right? That was the purpose of the meeting. Obviously, I wanted to introduce my product. Everything is not free, Mr. Gopal Sharma. आई होप आप भी बिजनेस करते हो, फ्री में नहीं करते होंगे. So I'm introducing the product. It is not free. करेक्ट. फिर मैं आपको फ्री 1-to-1 दे रहा हूं. अब मेरे लोगों से बात करिए, फ्री 1-to-1, अपना पोर्टफोलियो चेक कराइए. सो वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट टू यू मिस्टर गोपाल शर्मा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. यस, गुड दिवेश. लाजकम इज गुड. राइट, आप फ्री 1-to-1 लीजिए, अपना म्यूचुअल फंड सिलेक्शन कराइए. एंड दिस वन. So, गोपाल शर्मा जी, आप ये मैं फिर से लिंक भेजता हूँ. 1-to-1 फ्री ले लीजिए, फ्री ले लीजिए. और आई होप यू द मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट आपके पास ऑलरेडी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में आप 5-1 लाख रुपया इन्वेस्ट कर चुके हैं, जब मैं आपको और हेल्प कर पाऊंगा. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 5 लाख इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स, देन वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू मच. Okay, final questions. Anybody has any final questions? Mr. Jayanto Dasgupta, 1-to-1 ले लीजिए प्लीज. अब 1-to-1 ले लीजिए, जो मैंने भेजा है. प्लीज फाइल अप दिस 1-to-1. माय पर्सन कैन हेल्प यू. यस, रामानाथन वानाथन. अभी तो इनिशियली तो आपका ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा ना, मिस्टर रामानाथन वेंकटरामन. सो प्लीज टेक 1-to-1 free, understand the strategies, and then you can decide to invest 25 lakhs with your own mutual fund. We only give research. Can I get close-ended scheme in BSA? Did not get your question, Mr. Gokul Krishna. Yes, we will. This is what we do, Lakshmi D. We are experts in helping you to invest in mutual funds. You take 1-to-1 free. We will tell you the mutual funds. I hope you have already invested in some funds already, Mr. Lakshmi D. Divesh, please take 1-to-1. So Gokul Krishna, please take 1-to-1. Thank you, Lakshmi D, registered. Then my person can help you. Mr. Anwar Momin, please take free 1-to-1 first. But if you want to see the cost, Mr. Anwar Momin, the costing is here. We start with 5,000 a year. And you should be invested at least 5 lakh rupees in the, then only we can help you. If you're a beginner, then we will not be able to help you much. Mr. Anwar Momin. अनवर जी, मैं समझा नहीं. 16 लाख अगर आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है तो मैं हम लोग आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. 1-to-1 पहले फ्री ले लीजिए, जब भी आपको विश्वास आएगा. यू कैन नॉट ट्रस्ट एनीबडी टिल यू टेक फ्री 1-to-1. 2-3 बार अटेंड करिए, 2-3 बार फ्री अटेंड करिए, then the trust will come, and then only you can become a paid customer. Yes, so Anwar Momin ji, please take free 1-to-1. मैंने लिंक भेजा है, आप उस पर फ्री लीजिए. Let's develop trust first. Let's understand हम लोग क्या करते हैं, then you will understand. Okay, friends, thank you very much for your time. Any final questions we have? You fresh investment or existing investment? Existing investment, Mr. Idat. If you have existing investment, then we can help you. Either you can change them, you can make it better. Yes, Jay Bhaumik ji, we can really help you. आप 1-to-1 मेरे लोग से ले लीजिए and discuss your scheme, and we can show you better schemes to invest in. Which portal is good for direct MF investment? There are many portals, Rajesh ji, आप कहीं से भी invest कर सकते हैं. Thank you, Mr. Edat. Thank you, Mr. Edat. You've attended many times Edat, I think so, before also. So I hope now you will be interested to become a paid customer. Anybody else wants to have any final questions before we end the program? We'll wait for 30 more seconds. Thank you, Devesh. If you understood, very good. If you want further clarification, one-to-one, any discussion, my people are ready to help you anytime. Yes, you can, Rajesh Tiverkarji, no problem. We only give research. You invest with your own place where you want to invest in. I have no idea. You have to ask Angel Broking that, Mr. Rajesh. Thank you, Mr. Chandrasekhar Jagdish. Thank you so much. Both is good, Mr. Devesh. So we already have 57 people. The session is closed over, friends. Thank you very much. Namaste to everyone. Thank you so much. Jay Bhomiji, please take one-to-one. My person can explain you better. राजेश तिवेरकर जी, यू आस्किंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आप प्लीज वन टू वन ले लीजिए. बहुत क्वेश्चंस है आपके, आप प्लीज ले लीजिए. मैं बहुत क्वेश्चन आंसर कर चुका हूं आपका ऑलरेडी. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Now we are closing finally. Thank you very much.